Hi, this is Larry. To do this problem, we need to understand what scale factor means. It is, in fact, a comparison of a linear dimension of one figure to another, not comparison of surface area. That makes a big difference. I have two squares here, one with the side of 3 and one with the side of 4, and the scale factor of these two figures is, in fact, 3 to 4. That's just a comparison of the length of the sides. Also, it's a comparison of anything about linear dimensions about these two figures. If we look at the perimeter of the first figure, it is 12, and the perimeter of the second figure is 16. That is 3 to 4. If we did, say, if we look at the diagonal of the small figure compared to the diagonal of the larger figure, it would be 3 to 4. Anything about a linear dimension is, in fact, 3 to 4. But we're not asking about the linear dimension. We're about comparison of areas. So let's look at my two figures here. The smaller square has an area of 9, larger has an area of 16. 9 to 16 is not 3 to 4. It is, in fact, 3 squared to 4 squared. So the scale factor, if you're looking at a linear dimension, you use scale factor. If you're looking at an area, you square the scale factor. And if we're looking at volume, we'll make cubes here. What's the volume of these cubes? Well, 27 and 64. So linear is scale factor. Area is scale factor squared. Volume, look at that. That's 3 cubed to 4 cubed. It makes sense because volume is 3 dimensions. You got to cube the scale factor. Area is 2 dimensions. You got to square the scale factor. And linear is scale factor. So here we have a scale factor of 3 to 4. The larger compared to the smaller is 4 to 3. And if we're going to compare areas, it's 4 to 3 squared. So we're going to multiply 90, the surface area of the smaller figure, by 4 over 3 squared, and that's going to give us the surface area of the larger figure, which is 90 times 16 over 9, and that is 160. And that in square inches. 160 square inches is the surface area of the larger figure, and that's how you use scale factor. And I'm going to be following this question. If you have a question or comment for me, leave it here, and I'm sure I will see it. Thanks a lot.